Welcome. We are at the October Caravan and Motorhome Show at the NEC. We've just queued up for about 20 minutes and got in. So yeah, come and have a look round with us.
Is it too small?
You could make the tea straight from bed.
Yeah, that's true. Then you haven't got a fixed bed, and you've got no like separate.
You can sleep up there. That's the bed. Are you looking at the sofa?
Sorry, I thought it was a chair, not a sofa.
We'd like a new hat.
I don't need a new hat. We're going the wrong way.
Oh, going the wrong way. Okay.
Most random thing we've seen so far. Might get a sofa at the Caravan and Motorhome Show.
I think that'd look good in March.
Should we measure it up?
We could have it outside under the awning.
Are we going to transport it?
Don't know. Well, let's look at these vans.
Oh yeah, good vans. Look, good vans. What was your impression of them then? What do you reckon?
They're very overpriced.
How much?
Well, £180,000.
180 grand.
But it did have a garage.
And it came with a free sofa.
So we've found the best van for a poo with a view.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. You can as well. You can enjoy the view on the loo.
Yeah.
Nice big sunlight.
It's a nice layout. Shame it's got an oven.
Got an oven. Well, I'm wondering you could probably maybe order them without the oven.
Yeah. That's handy. Look, USB.
USB chargers. They stole our idea.
Yeah.
Got some pockets. Oh, that's got ideas. I've storage up there. Nice.
It's not bad. We've got garage envy.
Yeah, this is the best bit.
Yeah, that bed that I was talking about is just
The width of your bed,
Yeah.
but it's got that bit that folds out, so it adds like, I don't know, 8-10 inches. So actually you'd fit in that.
The actual space in that bit is tiny.
Oh yeah, well it's only a short wheelbase van.
No, I mean like the width, because the bathroom's at an angle, see?
So it's got a
Yeah.
big bathroom. I like that, that's a good idea though, right? Sick.
Yep.
oh, I like the fact it hasn't got buttons. You just open the drawer.
Wine rack.
I think it might be for tins and packets.
Huh?
Tins and packets.
No, it's a wine rack.
That's clever storage.
Yeah, unless you're having a shower and the water gathers in it. Oh, need a wee.
We can't go toilet. That's clever, look. All lockers all around the top.
Can you sit up in bed?
Yeah, you can sit up in bed. Absolutely could sit up in bed. Oh, that's not fixed down. It's a good layout, like it. Imagine it's
12-volt socket.
imagine it's got good garage. It's all under the
Seen
bed.
any sockets?
Oh, it's the fridge beep. Dreaded fridge beep.
Have I just turned it on?
I don't know what you did.
Nice big fridge. Little freezer.
Yeah, that's good.
Good van. Stan. Definitely only 2 birthday. Sorry, Lola. Looks like it should open. Oh, I see.
Shoe storage.
Shoe storage.
Does that lift up?
This is a genius fridge.
Yeah.
Double hinge.
Outside, beer, wine.
And the other side.
Inside, bacon, sausages.
Yeah.
Genius.
Yeah, it's genius.
Can I just stand up so you shower?
You get no water on your head.
It's a duck. And then, oh no, I need the loo. It's a bit of a squidge.
It's a clever design though for the shower. Fixed bed.
Good idea.
Fridge.
Where's the fridge?
There.
Nice size fridge. Steps to get into bed. Decent size step. You've got bubble wrap.
It's weird, isn't it?
That is weird.
Bed's too small. What, you don't think you could sleep that way?
Where's the door? Is it on this side?
No.
£6,000
For a
cheap
bed on wheels.
For a bed on wheels. It's got a hard floor.
Yeah.
It's got it's basically a tent in it. You're better off with a tent and an inflatable bed.
Yeah, I think so. Done.
Done.
Right, it's the motorhome and caravan show done.
We didn't spend much money.
Oh, we did alright.
Did alright.
What did we get? We got a Brit stops,
2 coffees.
2 coffees. That was it, wasn't it?
That's all we've got.
That's all we
It
got.
sounds like a waste of time, but actually we've had a look at a load of vans. We know what we want next. When we get rid of Marge, don't tell her I said that. And
Yep.
come up with some good layout ideas.
Yep, all good. It's starting to get quite busy now, isn't it, in there?
Yeah, too many people.
A lot of people, so we are heading home for a sit down. We're on our feet for 4.5 hours. Whew.
It's just like a walk.
I know, but it's hard floor. It's a hard floor.
It's a hard floor. Yeah,
It's a
floors are
hard-
hard.
No, it's a really hard floor.
I need a soft floor.
Yeah, yeah. Right, drive the car. Let's go.